Welcome to ComeOnIndia.com website. In this current affairs video lecture, we are going to see what is Earth Overshoot Day, how it is calculated, why it is important for the civil service examination, etc. Global Footprint Network. Global Footprint Network. It is a non-governmental organization publishes this day called as Earth Overshoot Day every year. According to it, global consumption of the natural resources reached dangerously unsustainable level. It means we are using more natural resources than what the earth can produce. On August 13, this day is important for the prelims examination. In 2015, we have used most of the resources that is meant for the whole 2015 year. It means for the entire 2015 year, the total amount of natural resources that the earth can produce, say 100, we used entire 100 by August 13 itself. Then what about the natural resources for remaining 4 months? The 4 months that we are going to use from the next year quota. So that's why it's called as Earth Overshoot Day. Earth Overshoot Day is also called as Ecological Debt Day. Ecological Debt Day is important for the examination, and Earth Overshoot Day is the day when we have exhausted the nature's budget or nature's ecological budget for the year. It marks the humanity's ecological footprint exceeding the earth that can generate for a whole year. It means if the earth can generate natural resources for whole year, say is 100, and when we are using the entire 100 value, on August 13 this year, we have utilized all the natural resources meant for the whole year. How the Earth Overshoot Day or Ecological Debt Day is calculated? It is based on the comparison of the human demand in terms of the carbon emission, in terms of the cropland, fish stocks, and use of the forest for timber. On the one side, it indicates a demand, and on the other side, we have to calculate the supply. So, to calculate the supply, the plant's ability to regenerate the natural resources and Earth's ability to absorb the carbon emitted. It simply indicates that we are using the natural resources excessively what Earth can produce for a year. Let's see the changing nature of Earth Overshoot Day. As already we told you, Global Footprint Network, which is a non-governmental organization, calculates the Earth Overshoot Day from 1970s onwards. In early 1970s, the day fall in the, like say December, then slowly the day moved to November, October, etc. Now the day stands at August 13 for 2015 year. Why we are using the natural resources so early, which is meant for the whole year? Because of the growing population and demand for the natural resources. Consumption is increasing unprecedentedly. How to calculate Ecological Overshoot Day? In simple terms, the formula is that world biocapacity divided by world ecological footprint into 365 days, which gives ecological over Overshoot Day or Ecological Debt Day. The formula is that world biocapacity divided by world ecological footprint into 365. Now let's discuss a few words about Global Footprint Network. It is founded in 2003. It is an independent think tank based in US, Belgium and Switzerland. Global Footprint Network is established as a non-profit organization. It develops and promotes tools for advancing the sustainability, ecological footprint and biocapacity. What is biocapacity? Simply, biocapacity measures the amount of resources we have and how much we have. Or simply, it measures the amount of resources we use and what we have. Now, let's discuss the ecological footprint of India. Today, the cropland and carbon together makes up to 80% of India's ecological footprint. This is important for the prelims examination that cropland and carbon makes 80% of India's ecological footprint. Now let's discuss some important points or facts for the prelims examination. Our India's ecological footprint is very below that of industrialized and developed countries. India's ecological footprint is very less than that of industrialized and developed countries. 1 point. Second is that our consumption rate exceeded our biocapacity. At present level of consumption, we need to India to sustain ourselves. It means we are consuming twice what we have. Now let's see an important report called as Living Planet Report 2014. Living Planet Report 2014. You can use this report while writing the mains examination in Environment and Ecology section in GS paper 3. The Living Planet Report 2014 published by Worldwide Fund for Nature or WWF. The report says that the human demand on the planet is over 50% larger than what the nature can renew. Consider a situation if Earth has 100% natural resources, it means we are consuming 150%. So it will take 1.5 Earth to produce the resources that we are consuming at present. The important point for prelims is that India is the third largest greenhouse gas emitter in the world at present. India is the third largest greenhouse gas emitter at present. The first is China and the second one is USA. Don't forget these facts which are important for IAS and other examination. At present level of consumption, we need 2 India to sustain our growth or consumption. In China and UK, they need 3 China and 3 UK to sustain their current level of consumption. Japan's consumption is very high in that it needs 5.5 China to sustain their current level of consumption. That's all about Earth Overshoot Day, its importance, how it is calculated, what is Earth Debt Day, what is biocapacity, and what about India's ecological footprint, and Living Planet Report on 2014 we discussed is a very important topic for prelims as well as mains examination and prepare well, visit our website that is www.commonindia.com to download the PDF. Thank you.